Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can turn on the dark mode on your Motorola Moto G23. For that you want to go to your menu and go to settings and then go to display here, and here you have appearance and then dark theme right underneath. You can turn it on here, then it just switches to the dark mode automatically, but you can also click on it and customize it a bit. So right now the dark theme is turned on. You can turn it off on the button directly, and you can say schedule if you don't want the dark theme to be on all the time. So you can say none, which isn't the purpose of the schedule. You can say turn on at a custom time, then you can, well, put on a time you want the dark theme to appear. So you can say at 10 tonight and then end time. So when the light theme appears again, let's say 8 in the morning, okay. And then tonight at 10, the dark theme will turn on, and then tomorrow at 8 a.m. the light theme will appear again. You can also say turn on from sunset to sunrise. For that you need to have your location on, I think, because otherwise your phone doesn't really know when you have sunset and sunrise, right? Makes sense. So yeah, that's what you can customize here, or you just say turn it on and then turn off when I say so. The dark theme will save you some battery. It is also nice like for your eyes if you like, let's say, on a little like conditions, and honestly it gives you pretty chic appearance, I think. So that's how you turn on and off the dark theme on your Motorola Moto G23. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.